Hey boys and girls, it's Mr. Sanito. We're going to do a little bit more math today with tally charts. And we did some of these before. You can go get your math book and a pencil. The page number that we are on is 605. 605. Pause the video and come on back when you're ready. Okay, we're going to work on this tally chart together. So let me scooch this up a little bit. And the directions say, complete the tally chart. Now, it's very important that we read all the different parts of the tally chart. It says in the title, our favorite game. It gives us the choices, card game, puzzle, board game. And now we need to count the tallies. So you go ahead, count the tallies, and put them in the right box under the total section. And I'll just sit here and wait for you to do it. La 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 la. Okay. Are you done? No? Okay, I'll keep waiting. La 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 la. Okay, are you done? Okay, we could do it together if you're not done. It's fine. So let's remember, when we're looking at card game, we know we don't even have to count those. That equals how many tallies, boys and girls? 5. Fix it up if you got it wrong. And if you got it right, A+. Now, let's look at puzzle. There's puzzle. And count the tallies. How many marks do you see? 1, 2, 3. The last one is board game. And let's count. Oh, look at this. We just say 5. And then when we count by 5s, we go 5, 10. 5, 10. Remember counting by 5s? Okay. Now, we've got some questions here at the bottom. It says, use the tally chart to answer the question. Which game did the most children choose? Circle. Now, most, remember, we're looking for the largest number. That's what most means, or you can think biggest. So we've got our 3 choices. Look at 5, 3, and 10. Well, what's the larger number? That's going to be 10. So what are we going to circle? That goes with board game. Now let me erase all of this. Oops, I probably shouldn't have erased that. Who did that? Who can I blame? Okay, I'm going to erase all of this. Okay, here's the second problem. It says, which game did the fewest children choose? Now, we've got that signal word there, fewest. That's going to mean least number of children, the smallest number. Take a look at the totals up on top. Which one is going to be the fewest? Is it a card game? No. The smallest number is going to be right there, 3. And what does that go with? Puzzle. So what are you going to circle? The puzzle. Okay, now turn the page in your book. This is the only other page we're going to do. Page 606. It's got the sailboats on top. I'm going to get you started, but I'm not going to do all the work on this page. You're going to do all the work. So here we go. The directions say, how can you make a tally chart to show the boats at the lake? Well, here are the boats. Oh, maybe you can't really see that. Here. Here's a picture with all the different boats at the lake. Now, we're going to have to look at this carefully. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. You can follow along in your book. Let's look at that tally chart, and maybe this will help. It says boats at the lake. And what are the choices? It says boats with sails. Oh, the sail is this part of the boat. So if you've got a little boat, that's the sail. So we're going to count the number of boats with sails, and then, we're going to count the number of boats without sails. And we have to use the boats that are in the picture. Now, they got us started, but this is tricky. So pay attention. We're going to go slow on this one. Okay. This boat here has a sail. Cross it out with your pencil. And then make one tally mark. Now, they did another one. Look at this. Cross this one out. It has a sail. And make a tally mark. Now you are going to have to finish making the tally marks here, and you have to look for the boats with sails and without sails. Now, I'll give you a little hint. Watch carefully. I'll make this real big. You're going to have to do one boat at a time. Here's a boat. Here's a boat. You got this boat, that boat, that boat, that boat, that boat, and that boat. But I'm not going to make the tally marks for you. Nah, you guys are too good. You're too smart. So you make your tally marks, cross out each boat as you go, put your tally marks in the right spot, and then give me the total. After you do that, you can move on to this one. Now look at this. You're going to make another tally chart, and it says, use the picture to complete the tally chart. Okay, here's our picture. And it also says, then answer each question. That looks like an aquarium. An aquarium is a place where fish live. Oh, it says here, fish in the tank. So you can call it a tank too. And we've got two kinds of fish. We've got zebra fish that look like this and angelfish that look like that. So you're going to look very carefully at the fish in the tank. Let's see. Here's one. There's one, there's one, there's one, there's one, there's one, there's one, there's one. Okay. Do them one at a time. Make your tally marks. Your tally marks are going to go here. And then fill in the totals. Now, let me help you with the questions. There's not many today. Question number 1 says, how many zebrafish are in the tank? Not hard. Look at your chart. Question 2, how many more zebrafish than angelfish? Now that one's tricky because we've got some signal words. How many more? That means we want the difference. You're going to have to subtract the angelfish and the zebrafish, and you're going to have to put the larger number first. Ooh, that's tricky. And your answer can go down here. And then the last problem, ooh, they gave you a really tough one here. It says how many zebrafish and angelfish are in the tank? Well, we've got another signal word, and. Are we going to add the fish or subtract the fish? You're going to add the fish on this one. So see what you can do with these problems, and then we're going to stop. Just send me a picture of this page, boys and girls, in ClassDojo. I want to see how you do making your tally charts. Oh, one more thing. Remember, when you're making your tally marks, here's how we do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where does the 5th tally mark go? And if you forget it, I've got a little rhyme for you. Watch this. I'm going to do it again. Oh, I just remembered this. Okay, here we go. This is what we say. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 shuts the door. That's how we do that. So if you get to 5, don't forget that last 5th tally mark, it goes sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 shuts the door. Okay. Show me your work in ClassDojo. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.